Meeting, 2 thumbs down for Canadian rap face. Plus we got a handle on the snake location. Coast to coast watch, no one's safe. Checklist banana, we flavor grape. On the Forbes 500, we don't pay to rank. With some top-notch dick on the market, a bargain. Hardly even started, no premature finish. Party on the mic every time I strike. Hold tight to your seat for my lightning bolt. Ha! When I release hypnotical gas like organized, your whole style vaporized your rap side. I'm on top of the crap pile. And you won't catch my written rap reference a crack vial. Y'all know that I'm a cynical prick, but I'ma just keep bustin' like the limitless dick.
Snacks and bitches, his hunger so vicious. I used to sell pipe bombs, now I sell hype songs. Right and wrong, remain calm, this belongs to me. This is snack time, crunch time, my time, organized crime. Step into the mind of the lunatic, die hard and vanguard. That means I'm crazy and original, you fucking retard. Like Sunday morning, to me this shit's easy, got a master's.
Yeah.